In this ukulele tutorial, sing-along, play-along, we're going to do probably one of the most fun, I was going to say funnest, but most fun Christmas song ever, and actually recorded by Guitarlele PV at 10 years old. This one is, I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only hippopotamus will do. All right, we'll stop right there. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification. So this is our Christmas song, or Christmas songs that we're doing. So if you want like this Christmas song or like other Christmas songs, check out the other videos I have for these. This one is actually a song I only learned after I had kids, and my wife was the one who knew it. I don't know why I never heard it through all these years, but this is I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas. Actually, fantastic song. My kids love it. I've been singing it for the last couple of years since I have learned it. Now, there's a lot of lyrics. The chords aren't too bad, but there's a couple areas here I'm going to go over. I'm going to show you the strumming pattern, and then we're going to do a play-along, sing-along at the end with the killer backing track. It really helps if you have the music, the lyrics, the chords, the chord diagrams in front of you and including the backing track. And I'm going to give that to you all for free. Okay, we'll put a link of that in the description so you can go ahead and sign up and get all that stuff for free. So anyway, this is going to be a really fun one. I'm going to show you the strum pattern and everything like I mentioned. Now, this stuff here, where I'm getting a lot of this stuff is from this book, the Christmas Ukulele Fake Book. This is one of my favorite new Christmas books. Over 250 songs, lyrics, chords, melody, all that kind of stuff. Just a great book. Now, also, you probably didn't know this, or maybe you did, but the Daily Ukulele is a great book as well for some Christmas songs. Now, this one is not in this one. It's in the red book, but both fantastic books, and both available, by the way, at my online store. That's the #1 online store, store.ukelikethepros.com. So anyway, are you ready? Let's go ahead and dive right into this. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. All right, so that's the beginning of it. Now, we're going to keep it real simple on the strum pattern, okay? We're just going to literally do this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And it's got a little bit of a swing feel. The backing track is really fun, really a fun back track. It's a little bit like a kind of a march, kind of jazzy thing. Really cool. All right, but that's it. Now, this is going to be felt in 2. So even though the time signature may say 4/4, it's really felt in 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. All right, so get used to that. Usually that happens a lot of times when you have a faster song, like in this one. All right, again, I'm not going to go over every chord here on it. We're going to have everything on the screen here, the chord diagrams. We're going to have the measures, and we're going to have the lyrics when we do it. But again, I can't stress, go get the sheet music. Go get what I'm giving you here. It's totally for free. Just click that link below. Go sign up for that. All right, so let's just do the first chord here. I'm going to show you a couple of the tricky sections, okay? So the first one here is when it goes G, G6, and back to G. That's really cool. And by the way, it gives it a really Hawaiian type of sound, right? G. It's really a cool vibe there. So get this down. It is a kind of fast song, and there's a lot of lyrics. We're going to do the whole thing 2 times. Now, I'm actually going to throw in a secret little lyric that the Guitarlele PV version does not have. Okay, so this one doesn't have. By the way, this was written by John Rocks. It doesn't have, so you'll hear it when we come up to it. All right, let me show you just a couple sections here that we're going to have. I want you to be aware. One, when we get to the A7 chords, bum, da dee da dee da dee, we're going to hit some stops. Okay, so you'll see that. I'm just literally hitting the chord and stopping it. It's going to be 3 stops. And that happens in a couple different places of the song. Then, at the end of the bridge part, there's a really cool progression. It's just going to go right there. So A minor 7, down, up. Then it's going to go to this D, diminished 7 chord, and then right to a D7. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. And it's a really cool section. What else is there? The first ending. Okay, we're going to, like I said, 2 times. The first ending has these 2 chords. How cool is that? It's just a G chord, okay? So G chord, down, up, and then take the middle finger up, slide it back to this C sharp diminished 7 chord, down, up, and then right to a D7. Okay, if you do that in time, it's going to go. Absolutely fantastic. And then the second ending, we're going to do the end's going to go like this. Ba-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee, 2, 1, 2. And we're going to stop right there. So 2 measures of G, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and the very last measure is going to go 1 and on the G, slide it back 1 fret to G flat, and then up and stop the sound. All right, so that second ending is 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Boom. And then we out. We out. So anyway, you ready? Let's do it with the backing track. By the way, again, if you haven't got signed up, go get the sheet music and all that stuff. Backing track, go get it. We'll sign it up totally for free. Now, if you're ready, like you dig what I'm doing here, you like my style, you want to learn ukulele, you want to get better, you want to come join the Uke the Pros Nation, that's ukelikethepros.com. We got courses, we got memberships, we got a worldwide community. It's absolutely fantastic. You're going to learn so much, your confidence is going to grow, and you're going to have a fantastic time. So check it out, ukelikethepros.com. You will not go wrong. All right, you ready? Come on, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only hippopotamus will do. Don't want no dolls, no dinky tinker toy. I want a hippopotamus to play with and enjoy. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. I don't think Santa Claus will mind, do you? He won't have to use our dirty chimney flue. Just bring him through the front door, that's the easy thing to do. I can see me now on Christmas morning, creeping down the stairs. What a joy, what surprise, when I open up my eyes and find a hippo hero standing there. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only hippopotamus will do. No crocodiles or rhinoceroses. I only like hippopotamuses, and hippopotamuses like me too. Hey! Mom says the hippo will eat me up, but then the teacher says the hippo is a vegetarian. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas, the kind I saw last summer at the zoo. There's plenty of room for him in our 2-car garage. I'll feed him and I'll wash him and I'll give him his massage. I can see me now on Christmas morning, creeping down the stairs. Oh, what joy, what surprise, when I open up my eyes and find a hippo hero standing there. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only hippopotamus will do. No crocodiles or rhinoceroses. I only like hippopotamuses, and hippopotamuses like me too. What? All right, I'm going to take that. There's so many lyrics. Whew, it took me a couple takes. I was trying to do it from memory. It's so many lyrics. I got crossed up a few times, but I got it all the way through. And it's a really great song. So did you notice that one extra lyric that I threw in? What is it? It's the kind I saw last summer at the zoo. So normally in the Gala PV version, they just have an instrumental version there. So anyway, that's my version of I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas. Hopefully I did justice. Have some fun. Hopefully you do too. Don't forget, go get the sheet music and the backing track. You could hear it's totally fun and totally killer as well. And don't forget, store.ukelikethepros.com for all your ukulele needs, and ukelikethepros.com to bring your playing, not to the next level because everyone says that, but just really become part of the Uke the Pros Nation and become the ukulele player that you know you can be. So anyway, thanks for leaving a comment. Thanks for hitting that like button, or actually the new term now is smashing the like button, and also subscribing to the channel. I appreciate all the support, and we'll see you next time.